Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. Today we're taking a look at this 2008 Suzuki Boulevard 1500 with 28,962 miles. Powered by a liquid-cooled 1462cc V-twin engine with a 5-speed transmission. The Boulevard puts out 77 horsepower at 4,800 RPM and 96 foot-pounds of torque at 2,600 RPM. It has a seat height of 28.3 inches and a dry weight of 1,000 pounds. This bike has been upgraded with a LEHMAN Trike kit, an air horn, a windshield, grips, and a Harley-Davidson tour pack. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.